I got 2 goals today. It's match play day here in Minster, and I am looking to 1, win the tournament, get the job done. 2, I'm looking to do that by keeping a nice, calm, cool, collected mindset, not trying to get too amped up or too low on myself when maybe things don't go so hot. So trying to stay a little more zen today, a little more focused on what I can control and only what I can control, not the things going on around me. So hopefully a positive day on the lanes, and that positive mindset is going to get the job done. I think. Maybe. I hope. Real quick before we start the bowling portion, Chris, tell him who won the ball giveaway. Tell him. Ego My Lego. Ego My Lego won the ball giveaway of the month, and if you guys want to join, you can click the link down below and join our membership, and maybe you can win one too, like Ego My Lego. Alright, game 4 update. 3-1. I think I'm in first or second. Gotta hang on here for another couple games. Hopefully put some scores up and not lose to Ronnie Russell. Look at this freaking guy. Throws one shot that he doesn't like, changes tape. Unbelievable. How many pieces do Pro Bowlers usually put in their thumb?
I like to have about 6.
6 pieces? Front and back, or just front?
Front and back.
Say we're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, we're having a great time, you know. We're
Are you
just
buried?
Yeah, I started making a move again, and then I shot 150. So so that's the definition of my weekend. A week, I guess.
Start
it's a
bowling
week,
well?
isn't it?
150.
Yeah, and that's very, very easy to do too. So
Yeah.
I need a hero to save me. You know what?
All right, going into game 7, I'm probably in first or second. Still in first or second, gotta have a couple good ones to secure the 1 seed. All right, well, we got 1 game to go. I'm bowling Anthony Lavery Spar. I need to not lose by 39. I'd rather just win. So I'm the 1 seed.
He crushed it.
I need to stay the 1 seed after this game, and then it'll be 5-game step ladder. How you bowling?
Bowled all right. I threw a lot of urethane. A lot of urethane.
You don't usually do that.
No.
Learning new tricks today.
I am. I'm aspiring to my inner Packy by throwing urethane a lot.
I never throw urethane.
Ever.
What I'm saying is I'm furious the fact that I just lost a 70-pin lead in 1 game. I got smacked twice by the same guy, but realistically, the only thing that's gonna make me feel better is winning this match. So, and food.
Food always.
So now it's time to go bowl. Can I get another napkin? I need like 3 of them, realistically.
You're gonna try and win a
And Brad just doesn't even know the format.
I don't know anything.
The step ladder's happening, and he doesn't know how many people are in it. What I was coming on this camera to say was today's vlog was going to be about a positive mindset. Not gonna lie, I lost it for about 30 minutes. We're coming back. Positive mindset, nothing can do me any wrong.
You're sitting next to the wrong. You're sitting next to the wrong person.
Toby doesn't know how to smile, but I am positive Packy over here.
Toby is the happiest guy.
Hands together and finishing third. From Murder, Florida, Tom Doherty. Please put your hands together for Doug and Lori Davidson. Cannot thank them enough for all of their hard work. But your 2021 PBA Ernst Apparel Central Open champion from Wichita, put your hands together for Packy Hanrahan.
All right, $4,000 check, not too bad. So congratulations. Once again, put your hands together for Patrick.
You gonna be on the tour someday? You a bowler?
Maybe that's what I'm thinking about doing, bowling. And
What else you do? You look like a baseball player.
I do play baseball, yeah.
All right. You're 10.
He's the main reason I won
So
today.
you'll be here in about 8 years.
Yeah.
All right. See you in 8.
Yeah.
He said he had one signature left, and it was supposed to be yours.
I can't believe he even wanted my signature.
I can't believe it either, but I also can't believe you're holding the hardware. What happened?
I don't know what happened. Mental toughness, I guess.
Because he was rooting for you.
I was very nervous, honestly. Little man over here was giving me knocks the whole game.
I know. Little man wasn't nervous.
One more.
17.
So when are you coming on tour?
Next year.
Oh my. Next year you're coming out on tour?
Why not?
All right, I like to hear it, man. I'll see you next year.